Hey guys, HeatherHooker here. Welcome to all of our new members. Let me shake this up and then I'm going to tell you guys how to get your ketones for free. We are in the middle of a kitchen renovation. So all of my shaker cups are dirty, so I've been doing this this method of ketones, and it doesn't work quite as well as a shaker cup. But I'm mixing up some key limeade, and then I want to show you guys what's in this box and tell you how you can get ketones for free. Because, like, come on, if my team that's less than a year old can sell $200,000 worth of ketones every month, you guys can at least get free ketones. Yeah, that's about as good as it's gonna get. Okay. Starting to turn into Hurricane Heather, where like your head starts to spin, you get overwhelmed. So I need those to calm me down. All right, so let me show you what this is. So this is my Smartship order. So what I ordered on my Smartship was this tub of the Keto OS and chocolate swirl. You guys know that I love my iced fat burning latte called Mermaid Tears. So what that is Keto OS. It's a scoop of Keto OS, cold brew coffee, keto cream, shake it up with ice. It's better than anything at Starbucks, and it puts you into ketosis, which is that fat burn mode. So that's normally what I drink for breakfast. I skipped it this morning because my husband's off. Anyway, so that's why I'm drinking key lime right now. This is my first ketone of the day. So then I also got this box, this whole box of Keto Max, keto jellies. Okay, so both of these things are in this box, and I just want to show you. Oh, it's got my address on here. Hold on, let me mark that out. I don't know who's watching this, and people be crazy on the internet. Here, hold on. Okay. So I want you to see how much I paid for these two things. This is, how many servings are in here? This is 30 servings of ketones and 20 bags of Max. So 50 servings of ketones. Can you read this? Somebody put the dollar amount. Put it in the comments if you can see that. 2 boxes of Max, $0. Can you see that? I can barely see that. So chocolate swirl, $0. Keto jellies, Keto Max, $0. Subtotal, $0. They do charge you tax and shipping. So I ended up being charged $19 for 50 servings of ketones. So the next time somebody tells you that ketones are too expensive, you need to tell them they need to get with the program, okay? Get with the program. Ketones are not expensive, but you have to share. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you some post ideas. If you are drinking ketones, like, first of all, your significant other is going to be aware of what the changes that are happening, okay? The people around you are gonna be like, whoa, like, you're pretty chill, and like, your clothes are loose, like, are you shrinking? What is happening? So that's when you share your customer referral code. To get your own customer referral code, you do not have to be a promoter, you do not have to pay any sort of fees, there's not like a monthly quota, you're not starting your own business, you are simply a loyal customer. So you pick whatever product is your favorite. You go to my website, heatherhooker.proveitnow.com, put it in your cart, and make sure when you check out, you pick Today and Smartship, okay? That's gonna enroll you in our Smartship program. So what happens is you get your own customer referral code that you can share. You can I have tons of posts that you can copy and paste and use. If you are like, well, I don't really know what to post, like, I can help you, okay? So you post, you put your link, and then when you have 2 people sign up through your link and also do Today and Smartship. So they have to sign up for the loyalty program. Just 2. I'm not even going to tell you guys how many people I have sign up for this Smartship every month. Like, granted, it's my job and I share a lot, but if you can't get 2 people, like, you're not even trying. So you get 2 people, and then every single month, you're going to earn your ketones for free. So that's how you do it. I'm going to put a list of ways if you want to start sharing this opportunity so that you can get free ketones. I'm going to put a whole list of post ideas because honestly, I do the same shit over and over and over. It's like keto recipes. I have a call to action post where I post somebody's before and after. If you have a before and after picture, share it. You're going to get free ketones. But you can also share other people's. We have lots of people who are so proud of their weight loss that they don't care if you use it as well. So let's see, those 2 things. If you are comfortable on live video, that's a great way. You can post, shake up your ketones just on live video and say, this is what I'm doing. This is what makes me feel so great. This is how I'm sleeping better. This is why I'm staying calm with my kids this summer when they're home all day long for like 30 hours. Days, that's what it feels like over here. But anyway, that's it. So I just wanted to share, this actually came in last week and I was on vacation. So that's how I'm getting free ketones and you need to get with this.